2022 QJMotor SRT 750, another adventure motorcycle that is very interesting even though it comes from China. He is the QJMotor SRT 750 Adventure, which has a very strong feel of a true adventurer. This adventurous motorcycle comes with an appearance that is very compatible with other Japanese brand adventure motorcycles in its class. Even if you look at the features and specifications which is carried, this motorbike made by QJMotor is packed with many modern features. And the most solid thing is that the price is really affordable. QJMotor itself is a motorcycle manufacturer headquartered in Taizhou City, Zhejiang, China. Until now, this manufacturer from China already has a lot of motorcycles that are quite capable and can compete with Japanese brand motorcycles. Starting from the QJMotor Flash 300S to the QJMotor Race 350, and this time it's the turn of the adventurous motorbike, which is officially introduced by bringing a myriad of modern features in its class. QJMotor SRT 750 Adventure by design. The QJMotor SRT 750 is indeed very bold with the typical design lines of an adventurous motorcycle. If you look at the headlamp design, aka the main lights with a dual keen design, it reminds us a little of the Triumph Tiger 1200, which was just introduced late last year. Looks very sharp with a high windscreen and also duck fenders typical of a true adventurer motorbike. On the handlebars are also equipped with a handguard as a standard feature. The fuel tank of the QJMotor SRT 750 Adventure looks very big and dashing, while the shroud tank is integrated with the front turn signal, which has a boomerang-style shape. Interestingly, this motorcycle is also equipped with a bodyguard, while at the rear it appears to use a split-seat design where the seat is between pillion and rider are kept apart even though the distance is not too high. Features of QJMotor SRT 750. One of the great things about the QJMotor SRT 750 is that the features offered are very total. For the lighting system, of course, it has fully used LED lights. This includes the main lights, front and rear turn signals, and brake lights. It's not just the lighting system. Very interesting, but the panel meter also looks very sophisticated. For the panel meter section, the QJMotor SRT 750 is already using full digital with a large diameter and complete with multi-information display, MID. Another thing that is very solid is that the 5-inch panel meter is full color. A feature that is still very rarely found on motorcycles in its class, even for a Japanese brand motorcycle though.